Find the common factors of the given terms. We have two terms here, 12x and 36 here. So find out the factors of 12x. So 12x, what are the factors here?
2 into 3 into x.
So it is, you can write 2 into 3 into 2 to 6, 6 2s are. So otherwise 2 into 2 into 3 into x. Now 36.
2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 3.
2 into 2, 3 into 3. 2 into 2, 3 into 3. So now what are the common factors here? We have 2, another 2, then 3. So common factors. So you can write factor 2 into 2 into 3. It is 12. 12 is the common factor between 12x and 36. 2y can be written as 2 into y, factorization. 22xy. You can write 2 into 11 into x into y. Common factors. Common factor. See now this 2 and this 2. You can write that 2. And then y and y into y. So now the factors are 2y is a common factor between these two terms. Solve this 14p3. You can split this like this. 2 into 7 p into q. 28p square q square. 28. 2 into 2 into 7. 2 into 2 into 7. Okay. So then p square, you can write p into p. Q square, q into q. So common factors you can write 2 and 2.
7. P Q.
Common factors 2 into 7 and 7 common here into then p and p here into p and then last one q and q here, that is into q. So you are getting 2 7s are 14pq is the common factor. We have 3 terms here. 2x, you can write it as 2 into x. 3x square, you can write it as 3 into x into x. Then 4, you can write it 2 into 2. Now what are the common factors here? What are the common factors? So you don't have any common here. You don't have any common factor. So therefore you can write 1. Because you can write this into 1, into 1, into 1. No problem. If you write 1, nothing will happen. Therefore you can write common factor is 1. So no other common factor other than 1. You don't have any common factors other than 1. If nothing is there, you write 1 is the common factor. So next question. First term 6a, b, c. Split this one. 2 into 3. Okay. 24ab square. It is 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 times into 3. Then a into b into b. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 24. A, b into b, b square, b into b. So the last one is 12a square b. 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 to the 4, 4 3s are 12. A into a into b. A square means a into a. Now this is 2 is common. So you can write common factors. So you can write common factor. It is equal to 2. Then 3 is common into 3. So then a is common into a. Then b is common. B is common into b. So you don't find any other. 6. 6ab. 6ab is the common factor between these 3 terms. So all the 3 are divisible by 6ab. So it is an expression. You have to factorize this one. 7x minus 42. So what method you can follow here to factorize this? common factor. See, this term and this term both are divisible by, see, 7x. You can split this as 7 into x. 42. So it is
7 into 2 into 3. 7 into
2 into 3 into 7 into 7. 2 into 3 into 7. So you are having only 7 common. So therefore you take 7 common from this. Once you take 7 common, what will be left out here? X minus 6. It is nothing but 6. 7 into x is 7x. 7 6 are 42. So the factors are 7 and x minus 6. We have two factors here. So factorize here. 7, split this one. 7x minus 42, we are splitting into its factor. 7 into x minus 6. 7 is one factor, x minus 6 is another factor. So what is the meaning of this? This entire expression is divisible by 7 and the entire expression is divisible by x minus 6 also. Simplify this one. 6p. You can remove 6p, you can write it as 2 into 3 into p. 12q you can write it as 2 into 2 into 3 into q. So among these you have 2 and 3. So you can take 2 into 3. That means 6 you can take common. So 6 you can take common directly. 6 if you take common, what will be left out here? P minus. Here then 2q. See, if you multiply this, you should get the same. 6 into p, 6p minus 6 2s are 12q. So if you multiply this, you should get the same expression, given expression. 7a square and 14a. 7a you can see 7a square you can write it as 7 into a into a. 14a can be written as 7 into 2 into a. So you have 7 common, you have a common. So therefore you can take 7a common. 7a if you take common. So what will remain in the first step? A plus here what will remain? That 2. So if you take common 7a, you will be left with only a in the first term. In the second term you will be left with 2. Therefore a plus 2. If you multiply, you should get the same. 7a into a, 7a square plus 7a into 2, 14a only. Split this one. First term here minus 16z means here. So you 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into z. 20z into z. This is z. Okay. Last term is z. So then 20. 2 into 2 into 5. So into z into z into z. So now here you can take 2 common, another 2 common, so then 1 z common. What is that? 2 into 2 into z means 4z. 4z if you take common, first term will be with minus sign. Minus 4. Only 4 will be left out. See. So this 2 into 2, 4. Plus 4 5s are. Z means z square will remain. 1 z you are taking z square. 5 into z, z square, 5z square. Here, so this one, this 2 will be remaining and here 5 into z. Okay, so that's how 4z if you take common, here 4 will remain, here 5z square will remain. Multiply this one, you will get the same. Minus 4 into 4, 16z. So then plus 4 5s are 20, z into z square, z cube. Is like this. So you split this 20 L square m. You can write as 2 into 2 into 5. L into m. And 30 ALM can be written as 2 into 3. 6. Into 5. 6 5 is 30. Into A. Into L. Into m. So now 2 is common. Then 5 is common, then L is common, M is common. Okay, so you can take 2 5s are 10, 10 can be taken, 10 LM can be taken common from here. So now divide this one, 10 2s are, then 1 L you are taking, another L will remain, M you are taking out, then plus sign, divide this 30, 10 3s are. Then, so A will remain, you are dividing L, you are dividing M, so only 3A will remain. So So this is the factorization of this expression. Do this now directly. See, among this, what number divides both 5 and 15? 5 only. No 5. X square and x, what divides x only. Y and y square, y only. So whatever that divides both, you have to take. So once you divide this one, 5 will cancel. X means 1x will remain. Then y will get cancelled. Minus, divide this one. 5 3s are. X and x cancel. Out of 2y, 1y cancels, another y will remain. So 5xy into x minus 3y. 10a square minus 15b square plus 26 square. All the numbers are divisible by 5. 5 is common. Take 5. Divide this one. 5 2s are. 2a square minus 3. 5 3s are 15. B square plus 5 4s are 4s are 20. C square as it is. No other term is common. So this is the answer. Yes. So you can prove this. So these two you can prove. Okay. X if you take common, what remains in the first two? This is one group. If you take x common, x plus y. Here you take common plus, here you take, what is common? 8. So here also x plus y. See now, if you take common, you should get this same answer. Again x plus y is common. Take x plus y common. So what will be left here in the first one? No, x plus here 8. So you are taking this also common. Okay, x plus y you are taking common. So therefore your answer is x plus y into x plus 8. To solve this, you can make a group of these two now. So you can make these two as one group. So these two, one group, and these two, another group. Don't round off it. You also don't do like this. Just for the sake of understanding I am doing it. From these two, what is common? This is divisible by 3. These two. 3. And x also. Here also you can divide x, here also. So now 3 5s are. X and x cancel. Y will remain. Now 3 2s are. X and x cancel, so you will get only 5y minus 2. Now here, what is common among 5y minus 2? Nothing is common. You take one common. If nothing is there, at least one will be there. So 1 if you take common, everything will remain same. 5y. Now you got this is same. This term, here also you have same. Take that common. So 5y minus 2 into. So here only 3x plus 1. Okay, this is don't mark like this, box and all. This is only for the sake of understanding I am doing that. So this is the final answer. The factorization of this one, 5y minus 2 into 3x plus 1.